Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is another short practice video, just 15 minutes practice video, which will be helpful for people who cannot give too much time to practice yoga. Start with me. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position, keeping your head, neck, spine straight, shoulder, elbows relaxed, palms in Jnana Mudra. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of your body, the whole body. Become aware of your breath. Observe the flow of breath. Slowly bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Start rubbing. Now bring this energy to your eyes. Slowly uncover and very gently open your eyes. Great. We're good to start. Take the standing position on the mat. We're going to practice in the standing position, feet together or as close as is comfortable to you. Look straight at your eye level. Focus on your throat. Breathe deep and loud. Deep and loud. Very good. Keep practicing. Relax. Now, take your head back, focusing on the top of the head. Breathe deep and loud. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now, move your head side to side, keeping your breath normal, natural, as fast as is comfortable to you. Now, move your head up and down. Again, keeping your breath normal, natural. Just move your head up and down as fast as is comfortable. Now rotate. One clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete rotation as freely as possible. 5 rotations, 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise, 1 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. Okay, next. As you inhale, you will move your arms up. As you exhale, bring your arms down. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Even arms won't be touching each other. Go as fast as is comfortable. Start with me now. Inhale up, exhale down. Remember, as fast as is comfortable. Relax. Now take your arms up, interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up and hold. Keep your feet grounded, eyes closed. Focus on the breath. Just stretch your arms up. As you pull your arms up, your spine also gets pulled up. Breath normal, natural. Keep holding, keep breathing. Slowly release, relax. Next, as you inhale, you are going to take your arms up above the head and bend back from the upper body. As you exhale, return. Inhale, stretch your arms up, bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Keep moving. Inhale up and back. Exhale, return. Inhale up and back. Exhale, return. Inhale up and back. Exhale, return. Keep moving. One last. Great. Now, next, clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left hand from the wrist. Keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, head straight, eyes open. As you inhale, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward. Keep your knees straight. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Bending as much as is comfortable to you. 3, 4, 5, and release. Now switch your arms, clench fist with the left this time, hold it with the right, keep it in the middle of your back and start. Bend back as you inhale, bend forward as you exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now stretch your arms sideways. Deep inhale in the center. As you exhale, bend on the side. Inhale up in the center. Exhale on the other side. Keep moving. Inhale center, exhale side. Inhale center, exhale other side. Observe carefully my arms. My arms are stretched sideways, and when I'm bending down, I am not moving my arms. The bending happens from the waistline. Keep moving. Relax. Next, maintain shoulder level distance between your feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the backhand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation, like you do in Kapalbhati. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhalation happens on its own. Keep practicing. Twist, 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 twist. Exhale, exhale. That's how you need to practice. relax. Next, for the next practice, as you inhale, you will open your arms and legs together. As you exhale, you will close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head, even arms won't be touching each other. Go as fast as is comfortable. And make sure your foot doesn't come out of the mat. That is why I'm switching the position. I am practicing sideways. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Keep practicing. Next, for the next practice, keep your feet together, clench your fist, extend your arms in front of the body at shoulder level. As you inhale, bend down, keeping your heels in contact with the mat. Come up, retaining the breath. Exhale, bringing the arms down like this. Inhale, bend down, come up, rotate your arm back. Exhale, down. Inhale, retain the breath, come up, rotate, exhale. Keep moving like this. Inhale, go down, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Relax and get ready for the last practice. Bring your feet together. With every count, lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, done. Relax. Slowly sit down. That was it. Now you are going to relax in Shavasana. Shavasana, to release the tension, to release the fatigue from the body. Just relax. Surrender your body on the mat. While practicing Shavasana, remember to keep the entire body on the mat. Keep your body loose, absolutely loose, and still like a statue. Allow your body to relax and breath to come to the normal pace. Keep relaxing. If you're interested in practicing with me on a regular basis, you can join my online yoga sessions. I have 2 group classes. One runs in the morning 7 to 8 and the other one runs at 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening IST. I hope you enjoy working out with me. Take good care of yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Keep relaxing. Do not sit up until you feel totally relaxed. Thank you so much. Namaste.